The grammar part has two parts: the grammar lecture video and the grammar quiz. First, click the number 1 button to watch the grammar lecture video.
이리나가
The menu button can be used to navigate to another page or end learning.
잘 봤어요. 그럼 같이
There are 4 buttons in the lower right corner of the screen. These are the speaker button, subtitle button, video quality and speed control button, and full screen button. To watch the lecture video, just click the play button in the lower left corner. The lecture has 3 key parts. In the first part, you will look at example sentences through short animations.
빈슨이 영화표를 사요.
집에서 쉬어요.
And then, your teacher will explain in detail the grammatical structure applied to the sentences.
쉬다. 이리나가
Finally, you will need to use the grammatical structure to create various sentences.
살다. 다. 그럼 조금 더 연습해요. 뭐 해요? 그럼 스스로 문제를 풀어보세요.
Now that you've finished all the lecture, you should take the grammar quiz, right? Click the menu button to move to the number 2 quiz. The grammar quiz is a quiz where you need to pick the correct card among the two and use it to fill in the blank of the given sentence. You can complete the sentence by referring to the pictures and English sentences given on the left side of the quiz screen. When you select a card, native speaker audio will be played and given along with the completed sentence.
가요.
If you select an incorrect answer card, a yellow button will appear. If you click that button, you can check the detailed grammar explanation about the question. After taking all the quizzes, you will be given the percentage of questions you answered correctly. And based on your number, you will do a different learning activity. The button at the bottom will lead you to your assigned activity. If you answered 50% of the questions or less correctly, you will need to go back to the grammar lecture video and watch the grammar lecture one more time. If the percentage of correct answer is greater than 50%, but less than or equal to 70%, just click the review button to read the detailed explanation of each problem and see which part you didn't understand.
공부해요. 학교에 와요. 학교에 와요.
If the correct answer rate is greater than 70%, but less than or equal to 99%, in this case, you might have gotten just one question wrong. Click the retry button to retake the quiz. And when you get 100%, click the exit course button to finish learning. Does everything make sense to you? If you have any additional questions, please contact the Q&A bulletin board in the cyber classroom or just email us at 30daykorean@gmail.com. So, let's start learning grammar, shall we?